Alrighty, let's look at how to book an online lesson when you're studying with Monaco. So we're going to log in first of all onto your dashboard. Nope, you cannot see my password. Logging in, and then we're going to scroll down to courses. There it is. And then we're going to have a look at modules, which is the top one. So this is all of the modules you are enrolled in. So I'm just going to go straight for manicures and pedicures. And then this is where I'm clicking into curriculum to see all of the parts of the course, all of the lessons, so to speak. Now we're clicking on it's time to book a lesson, so you will have done all of the content before you click that button. And this is the lesson booking page for traditional Polish manicure, the first manicures and pedicures lesson. So you can view our Google Calendar on this page to be able to see what lessons are available. You can click through and see everything that's coming up, which I'll show you just here. This is not where you book though, this is just for you to see what's available. And then you scroll down, read all of this, it is important. But at the bottom, you'll see Book Now. Click on that, and that takes you through to Fresher. Now you're going to choose Online Lesson, and then scroll down to the Manicures and Pedicures section. And choose the lesson that corresponds with where you're up to. All inclusive if you paid all your fees at once, or pay as you go is there as well as another option. Clicking on Book Now, and now you choose your date and time. Now signing into Fresher. And you missed some of my details there, but now we're going to go through, read this as well. This is also important, and then click on Confirm. And it will show a summary of all of your details, and that's it.